Leicester, UK, January 6, 2024.
What's that again?
No, don't worry, we'll be fine. Yeah, my friend.
Never in my life have I ever seen her like this. Ever.
A severe flood warning, indicating danger, has been issued for parts of Leicestershire, as flooding continues to wreak havoc across the county. Multiple emergency services declared critical status on Monday, January 6, as rising waters forced evacuations and widespread disruption. East Midlands Service declared its first ever critical incident, while Leicestershire Fire and Rescue Service, LFRS, announced a major incident as emergency services were stretched to their limits. The declarations came as rescue crews responded to hundreds of calls for help, with widespread flooding forcing road closures and evacuations across the county.
What the actual fuck?
Don't have a fire anything.
Multiple flood warnings remain in place following heavy rainfall and melting snow that caused chaos throughout Monday. The Environment Agency said flooding of homes near the River Soar was expected to continue, with further rainfall forecast over the next 24 hours. The severe flood warning covers caravan parks near Barrow-upon-Soar, where multiple evacuations took place on Monday. The Environment Agency said river levels are expected to remain high until Wednesday, with significant property flooding and disruption continuing. Areas under flood warnings include Zook Island, Loughborough, Glenfield, Anstey, Thrussington, Ratcliffe-on-the-Wreak, Rearsby, Frisbee-on-the-Wreak, Rushy Mead, Aylestone, Sharnford and Whetstone. The Met Office has also issued a yellow snow and ice warning for parts of the Midlands until 10 a.m. today. Environment Minister Emma Hardy told the Commons that flooding is a personal priority, as she confirmed at least 350 properties across the country have been flooded since New Year's Eve. The minister said the Environment Agency is closely monitoring areas of particular concern, including the Midlands, with localized flooding likely over the next 24 to 36 hours. Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer addressed the severe flooding affecting Leicestershire in a statement, saying his thoughts were with all those affected. He thanked emergency responders working to keep communities safe. A woman living near Proctor's Pleasure Park has described the flooding around Barrow-upon-Soar as unprecedented despite recent defense improvements. The resident told the PA news agency that while the area had faced flooding last January, the current situation was far worse.
Oh my god, this is mad. Typhoons.
The Environment Agency has confirmed that the flood warning for Rothley Brook at Glenfield and Anstey is no longer in force. River levels have fallen below the flood risk threshold, and no further flooding is expected in the area.